Oh wow, absolutely bucketing down in Kuala Lumpur tonight, and this is the view out the front of the hotel that I'm staying at, the beautiful church, and then the Merdeka Tower in the background. I can't go all the way out there because it's absolutely pelting down raining. Every night here in Kuala Lumpur it's been raining. We've been here, I think this is our 8th night, and every night's exactly the same, just pelting down raining like this. The rain comes in like clockwork around 5 o'clock every evening, but tonight it's particularly wild. Anyway, life in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.